Hey there YouTube, this is Firefox9495 and this is my airsoft gun collection review along with my airsoft gear review. Now we'll start at the top with the AKs up here. Up top is my cyber gun AK-47 Kalashnikov, real wood, full metal, blowback. Below it is my Aftermath AK-47, also known as the Kraken, and below that is my Pulse R76 AK-74U with some modifications. My cyber gun Thompson, my Air Splat R700, my WE M1911 full metal gas powered blowback pistol, and my Walther P99. Now let's do a little smaller reviews on these. My AK from my AK from Cyber Gun up top here, its FPS with 12 grams is 487. Below it, my Aftermath AK is 380, and the Pulse R76 AK-74U is 375. My cyber gun Thompson, its FPS is 325. My sniper with 12 grams is 500 FPS. WE M1911 full metal gas powered blowback pistol is about 320 to 330, and about the same with my Walther P99. My little modifications that I did to my AK-74U is I put a M4 grip on it that my friend gave me and a blue light system on the side. Works pretty well. The scope on my R700 is pretty cool. It's real, and the bipod is pretty sturdy. All the slides on my guns work. I mean, I can go across here, pull each one back. The cool thing about this blowback AK is when I shoot, the slide pulls back. Not going to do with those two. So let's get to the gear, which is over there, my little armory / closet. Here we have my Voodoo gun case. It's digi, holds 2 rifles, magazines, anything else. My WE M1911 case is holding up my 4 batteries, battery charger, my 3 mags for my R700, the round drum for my Thompson, the magazine for my pistols in there. My ammunition, I got ammo there, here, inside my actual ammo canister, my combat boots. Up here is my heavy duty armor. It can actually fit real bulletproof plates, but I don't have any. I wish I did, that'd be kind of cool. But inside here is my AK magazines, another pistol for my Walther P99, well, not pistol, but it's magazine. And up here, this pouch holds shotgun rounds, but right now it's holding the little plastic shells for my R700, shoulder plates and everything. My standard combat gear, it's the Army ACU with the patches, drop leg holster, hat, my goggles for my glasses, screwdrivers for if I need to do some repairs, my winter gear with my full mask, face mask, my light gear with my boonie cap, and my SKS, well, Chinese SKS bandolier, helps out for lightweight. And of course, my U.S. Army calendar for when I mark down when days when my guns are supposed to be here. So, my ammo canister down here is fully, it's fully filled up with BBs. Same with right here. My Thompson's round drum holds over 1,000 rounds. It's it's not self-winding. You have to wind it yourself, in the sense self-winding, but the rotary mags, 2-stick mags, and Digi Camo duct tape for when you have to repair things. And a couple of my broken airsoft guns, my old AK and my old M16. But, yeah, that's my airsoft gun collection and gear. So tell me what you guys think, and I'll see you later. Peace.